Latest immigration news. What's going on with this immigration department? I mean, a lot is going on, but I'm gonna focus on two major breaking news. Okay, my name is Bijoux, Ngwanda, as you know it. I am an immigration lawyer based here in DC. However, I do have clients across the country and around the world because we are dealing with complex US immigration law cases. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you are not new, welcome back. Thank you for subscribing, and please do not forget to hit the notification bell so don't miss out on anything. If you enjoy the content, please go ahead and share, like. Don't forget to comment below. Also follow me on all platforms. Links are in the description box below. What's going on? Number one, we have a new memo, okay, coming from the Department of Justice instructing immigration judges to deny asylum applications if they determine that the application in question is legally insufficient. Yes, they are going to be denying asylum applications without a hearing, and it is happening already, okay? What is exactly going on? Basically, we have at least 4 million cases pending with the immigration court. That's why this administration really wants to streamline those cases and make sure that the immigration judges are basically working on the cases on their dockets so they can just go as fast as they can, pretty much by denying asylum cases if they find out that the asylum question is legally insufficient, okay? Legally insufficient simply means that when the asylum application is incomplete, they're just going to deny it because it was filed incomplete. Well, this is not a new law, because you might think, well, are they coming with a new policy? Is this new law? It's not new law. They're really referring to the matter of Interino Rosa, 2010. This case came in 2010 when the immigration judge denied the asylum application, like pretty much pre-terminated the application because the application in question lacked legal sufficiency. Basically, it was incomplete, okay? And recent matter, they're citing now a new matter of CRR BIA 2025. This one came this year again because the application in question was incomplete. What exactly can you do when you're filing an asylum application with the USCIS? Because most cases get referred to immigration court because it was first filed with USCIS, get denied, the case gets referred to court. So when you're filing your case with with the USCIS, make sure that the application in question is complete. Respond to all questions as you're supposed to. If you have document, it has to be translated in English. If it's in any other language than English, you know the basis, right? Make sure that your application is complete. You can hire a lawyer, you can ask counsel, because you want to make sure that the application is complete. Because if you don't get it right at the USCIS, the case gets referred to court, and if the case gets to immigration court incomplete, it's going to be denied. This is a new memo. It was issued on April 11, 2025. Well, I've talked about it before, and I'm going to say that again. The Trump administration is really good in reviving old laws when they come with a new policy. They almost always have a law to back their policy. And those laws are not old. Even when they came back with the public charge rule, it's not because it's a new rule. The rule has been in existence. It wasn't just applied the way they wanted it to be applied. So the same thing, because the case is from 2010. It's not a new case. They're just reapplying the same case now, considering new matters. So pretty much just do what is right to avoid that, because we've seen it. People are being denied asylum without hearing, okay? because the application is incomplete. And that's just in a way to support the mass deportation plan, because we know with immigration the case take longer, and it's just dragging the cases and stuff like that. They just want to be like pom, be done. So it's your responsibility to make sure that your application is complete. Okay. Number 2, the registration program, whatever, alien registration. Just do it if you are required to register, because failure to register to comply with DHS is a crime. It can be punished by fine, imprisonment, or both. It's a crime. So if you're required to register, just do it. How do you know? Just go to uscis.gov. It gives you the list of people who are actually required to register, and there's a list of people who are not required. So if you've the category basically of people who are not required to register, if you fall into that category, then you know I'm not required. But if you fell in the category of those other people, then you know you are required to register, and you please just do it to avoid any unnecessary trouble. Being charged with a crime is a problem, right? Then you want to waive them, then you might not win a waiver. Yeah, just do it, okay? Anyway, so that was it for this breaking news. We are going to continue our conversation with live sessions. I'll be live probably tomorrow, 12 p.m. Eastern time on your break, so that you can have the opportunity to ask your questions. But meanwhile, if you need a consultation, please schedule it. Consultation link is in the description box below. Until next time, bye-bye.